Don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing is gonna be alright. Woke up this morning, smiling with the rising sun. 3 little birds perched on my doorstep, singing, "This is a message for you. Don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing is gonna be alright." Hi there, this is Gaurav Gupta, your life and business success strategist. Welcome to the Daily Snippets. Heard this wonderful song by Bob Marley and reminded me of a wonderful story. A story about a king who had 4 kingdoms. This king asked his ministers one day, "Ministers, how much wealth do I have?" The minister said, "Your Majesty, you have a lot of wealth. You have so much wealth that it can take care of 7 of your generations." The king was very happy and proud. For a few days he kept thinking about it. And after a few days, he started getting a little worried. The ministers asked him, "Your Majesty, you look worried. What happened?" The king said, "Well, I have enough wealth to take care of my 7 generations. I am worried what will happen to the 8th generation." So they called the wise man. The wise man asked the king, "Hey king, can you do something about this?" The king said, "Yes, of course, I am the king. I can go ahead and I can go on war and I can acquire more kingdoms." So the king went to war. After several years he came back. He was tired, he was started to getting a little old, but he was satisfied because he had suffering kingdoms. So he asked his ministers again, "Hey ministers, how many kingdoms do I have now and how much wealth do I have?" The minister said, "Your Majesty, you have enough kingdoms now and your wealth is sufficient to take care of 15 of your generations." The king was happy for a moment, and then again he became a little worried. You know why? I'm sure you guessed it. He was worried, what will happen to my 16th generation? Just like that king, majority of human population has this habit of worrying about things which are either out of their control or are unnecessary. Worry never robs tomorrow of its sorrow. It just saps today of all its joys. Humans have this habit of worrying unnecessarily. I'm sure you also have a worry list. I would encourage you to pull out that worry list and have a look at it. 40% of the things that you're worrying about will never happen. 30% are concerned with decisions of the past, which cannot be altered, so there's no use worrying about them. 12% are rooted in criticism from other people, which is mostly untrue and is based on their feelings of insecurities about you. 10% is related to health, which will get worsen if you keep worrying. Which means only 8% of the list is actually legitimate. And these are the things you can do something about if you stop worrying unnecessarily about the other things. So next time when you're worrying, here are a few things I want you to do. Number 1, be like a child. Wear a child's hat. Have you observed children? There's so much in the present moment. They do not care about the past. They do not care about the future. There's so much in the present moment that they do not worry at all. You were that child once. Go back to your childhood and adopt that child's attitude. Be so much focused in the present that you do not have time to worry for past or future, and you can take action in the direction of that problem. Number 2, practice gratitude. Gratitude is one of the most important things that will keep you away from worry. Be thankful. Thank God that you have problems, because you know the only people who do not have problems are the ones who are already in their graves. So if there is a problem, thank God for that problem and try to solve that problem. The third thing which you can do is pray. Yes, my friend, you heard it right. Prayer actually centers you. It could be meditation, it could be mindfulness, it could be just talking to God, universe, or to your own self. Prayer will actually center you. It will give you faith in the universe and in your own ability to handle whatever is the problem you're worrying about. Number 4 is positive self-affirmations, visualization, and positive self-talk. As a routine, you should twice a day go into positive visualization and positive self-talk so that you can be more focused towards positivity and towards seeing that problem which you're confronting right now or worried about right now getting resolved. And number 5, which is the most important of all the steps, is take immediate action to solve that problem. Because the moment you take action, you change your state from worrying to actually doing something about it. And the most important thing, next time when you confront something which is really worrying you, ask yourself a question. Can I do something about it? If the answer is yes, you can do something about it, then why worry? Just go ahead and get into action and do something about it. But if the answer is that no, I cannot do anything about it, then worrying won't help you. Rather just flow with it. So stop worrying about what can go wrong, rather get excited about what can go right. And I'll see you in my next video. Till then, listen to Bob Marley's song, Don't Worry About a Thing, because every little thing is going to be alright.